Hello, my name is Whitney Teachworth, and I'm the current CIO of GigaBites. I'm excited to share about the immense success our company has seen over the last several months, particularly regarding our current position at the top of the German muesli market. I am confident that by the end of the presentation, you will agree that GigaBites' current management team has the vision and the skill to ensure GigaBites remains a nationally recognized and renowned brand of breakfast food for generations. Today, I'll be discussing the evolution of GigaBites' general business strategy and touch on some of the ERP monitoring tools that enabled us to follow and adapt that strategy. I'll review our impressive results and discuss a couple of operational improvements we plan to implement going forward to build on our success. From the beginning, GigaBites management committed to a business strategy that values both customer intimacy and operational excellence. To foster and grow customer intimacy, we made note of specific product preferences, which informed our initial product offering. At 3 different points throughout the year, we made changes to our product offering based on continued evaluation of customers' preferences. We also paid close attention to market trends, noting seasonal sales differences, regional sales differences, and market saturation levels for all available products. Recognizing that many customers purchase our products at regular intervals, we monitored customers' purchasing patterns throughout the year to anticipate their needs and maintain appropriate levels of inventory. Finally, we kept apprised of our competition's prices and product offerings in order to offer our customers the best deals on the market. We used several ERP monitoring tools to effectively engage with our customers. The first is the market tool. Using this tool, we could quickly see our market share for each product. The tool allowed us to break down our market share by region or even by week, thus enabling us to visualize market trends. The product map tool and market saturation tool were also essential to our customer intimacy approach. We strove to give our customers the best deals on the market, so we consistently examined daily product prices using the product map. The column labeled minimum market price shows the lowest price for a product among our competitors currently carrying inventory. In order to provide our customers the best value, we priced our products just below the minimum market prices while maintaining satisfactory margins on production costs. Giving customers a good deal is important, but so is ensuring that products they want are available. We referenced the market saturation tool to track the number of vendors manufacturing each product and current inventory levels for each product in the marketplace. Based on market saturation tool metrics, we made 3 changes to our product offerings over the 8 quarters. These decisions were based on an observed shortage of products in the market and opportunities to capture market share where vendor participation was low and product demand was strong. Operational excellence was equally important to our business strategy. We began investing in improved setup time and capacity for our production operation in the first month of business, and our goal was to produce at 90% efficiency. The easiest way to achieve 90% efficiency would have been to use large lot sizes in long production runs, but this also would have hurt our ability to respond quickly to market trends. Rather, maintaining an agile production operation with small lot sizes and short production runs positioned us to react to customer preferences and needs. Besides optimizing our production operation, we also took steps to minimize spending. Early on, we saw the need to continue to control inventory and strategically procure raw materials to avoid additional warehousing costs. We spent marketing dollars strategically and sparingly, focusing instead on tactical product pricing that undercut our competition. Finally, consistent monitoring of our cash flow and debt-to-equity ratio allowed us to make business decisions that improve the position of the company without negatively affecting our bottom line. Developing effective ERP monitoring tools was as essential to operational excellence as it was to customer intimacy. We used a production tracker to evaluate our actuals versus production goals for each quarter. This also enabled us to track against our forecasted production runs by product. The marketing expense control tool details how much we are currently investing in marketing by product and region. It supported optimal marketing spend with conditional triggers indicating when we are investing in a product that is low or out of stock, as you can see with strawberries 500 grams on the left. Finally, this tool shows our marketing investment as a percentage of our daily sales. The financial overview tool monitors our debt-to-equity ratio and cash flow. After the initial startup investment in cutover and assembly line enhancements, our focus was driving down and maintaining our debt-to-equity ratio at or below 175% and maintaining a cash balance to cover accounts payable and avoid further credit rating impacts from our lenders. To conclude my comments on GigaBites' general business strategy, please allow me to highlight the cutover and capacity enhancements that we made to our production operation. We ended with a setup time of 4 hours, which is a 67% reduction from the initial setup time of 12 hours. Our capacity improved 121%, up from an initial capacity of 24,000 units a day to 53,100 units. These improvements helped us become a high-volume, low-cost provider of muesli products. I will now move on to discussing our revenue results. The orange line represents our quarterly net income. Following quarter one, our net income remained steady between 1.3 to 1.6 million euros over the subsequent quarters, feeding our cumulative net income growth, represented by the green line, which currently stands at a market-leading 10.5 million euros. We averaged approximately 150,000 euros in daily sales for the last 2 quarters. Here you can see that total broken down by product. Our top revenue generator was 1 kilogram original muesli. We maintained at least 30% market share for each our products, even when products were offered by 5 or more competitors. For 2 products, we captured more than half the market share. Although we ended the last quarter at the top of the German muesli market in cumulative net income, we can put an even greater distance between GigaBites and our competitors with a couple of operational improvements. First, we will implement tighter liquidity controls to monitor our cash flow. In the first months of our leadership, we borrowed too much too quickly and drove our interest rate up. We then spent several months tightening our belts and to improve our credit rating and to drive down the interest rate on our loan. As we increased our production capacity, we see an even stronger need for a focus on forecasting and raw material procurement to support a lean manufacturing approach and minimize warehousing costs. To forecast more accurately and procure raw materials in a timely manner, we see a need to develop additional ERP monitoring tools to improve production utilization and minimize warehousing costs. We must ensure that raw materials are ordered and received in time to continue production uninterrupted without spending inordinate amounts on storage. In conclusion, the GigaBites management team asks the board to approve their continued leadership for the foreseeable future. Our business strategy and results show you that we have the vision and the ability to dominate the German muesli market. Thank you.